What's up, guys? Miguel Escobedo here, your Texas realtor. Behind me, I have 7805 Dallas Road here in Dallas, Texas, and it is a beautiful property. But before we go inside, make sure you like, share, and subscribe because I have more property tours coming. Let's go.
All right, guys, this property offers you 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and 3,946 square feet. A couple amenities that this house offers you is going to be high-end appliances. It has turf in the backyard. It does have a glass office upstairs that you're able to use as an office space or maybe as a second living area. And it has high-end appliances throughout the whole home, a lot of window space, and check out those high ceilings. Guys, I have to apologize. I couldn't go into the primary bedroom and primary bathroom. There were painting in there. They were doing some final touches on everything, and as you guys can see in here, you'll see some ladders around the area. So again, I apologize for that, but hey, if you're looking to buy real estate in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, make sure you contact me. I will leave my number at the end, and also it was in the beginning. I'll be glad to help you out and make your transition to Dallas an easy one. Take care.